All right, so it's a new day. The coolant went down some. The leak from the water pump and thermostat had stopped. Again, that was just the overflow from the filling the reservoir where when it burped up, it spit back up and puddled on the ground. So, quick update. The weather, it might be hard to tell, is going to be turning to rain for the next few days. So I'm not going to get a whole lot done. Hopefully today I can maybe get underneath this thing and tighten up the water pump and thermostat housing. But I did some research as to what could be going on with the glowing exhaust, and a couple of things that popped up was bad coil, bad plugs, leaky fuel injector. Now, I just replaced the plugs and coils a few months ago. I mean, it's only been started a few dozen times since then, so I doubt it's going to be a bad plug or coil. I did have a miss when I first put the coils, before I put the coils in, miss went away, so I thought it was solved, but maybe I have a bad fuel injector, or maybe a couple of bad fuel injectors. Again, this car sat for a while, since 2017, so I went ahead and ordered up a set of fuel injectors, because if one's bad, I'm sure the other ones, it could be plugged, it could be gas related. Now, the smell that was coming out of the exhaust smelled like some of that cleaner that I put in the gas tank, so it definitely was unburnt. So hopefully the injectors, now my Porsche Boxster 101 thing, maintenance book that I bought says that this is supposed to be about a 2-hour job on this car, and all of the videos that I found showed the engine sitting out of the car on the ground, which would make life a lot easier. I did see one video for the Cayenne. It's, the Boxster's cousin. And of course, it's got a lot of easier room because it doesn't have the stupid cover for the top, and you don't have to fight with all that stuff. So I'm not really sure how that's going to work. I do need to take apart the top, so I can replace the gears, because I think one of them is bad, and I think the other one's going bad. I'm not getting a good solid click on this. I did buy the gears, but with the weather changing, I don't want to have the top not being able to close. So I will have to open everything up here probably later today, just to see what I'm working with as far as room to get to the fuel injector rail. It looks like it's 4 or 5 bolts that hold it in place. I should be able to get to it somehow. So we'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, that's kind of going to be, again, a stopping point. I didn't have any leaks up in the front where I put the new radiator in, or any of that, so that's good. So just that one spot. So yeah, that's just a quick update where we're going to be. I'm going to order some parts, or I ordered the parts for the fuel injectors. It comes with the O-rings and everything. Prices varied depending on where I looked. They were between $16, $17, because they were $16.99 plus shipping, to a few $100s a piece, depending if you bought them directly from a Porsche supply place. I did find a set for a reasonable price, so I went ahead and jumped on that. We'll see how that all goes together, but this is just my update, and thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.